Hello, my name is Camila Pulido and I am the Director of Operations at Target Translations and Interpretations. In this video, I will be giving a brief overview and demonstration of the benefits of Zoom and the interpretation features that it has to offer. Zoom is a proprietary video teleconferencing communication service software. Its use became prevalent in 2020 when many schools and businesses transitioned into having remote, home-based methods of communication. What makes Zoom unique is its interpretation feature, which grants its users the ability to speak to one another in their native language while an interpreter seamlessly interprets from a separate channel. I will now demonstrate how to set up and utilize this feature within a Zoom call. To set up a Zoom meeting with interpretation services, the host must select to schedule a meeting rather than simply selecting the new meeting icon. In the Schedule Meeting menu, the host will scroll to the bottom and check the Enable Language Interpretation tab under the Interpretation section. The interpreter's email address will then be entered into the designated field and the appropriate languages for the interpretation will be selected. Click Save and begin the meeting when you're ready. Once the interpreter has been admitted into the Zoom meeting, locate and click on the interpretation icon located on the bottom menu. Clear the available field and from the drop-down menu, select the desired participant for the interpreter role and click Start. As the host, you now have the option to see, add, or change the interpreter roles or languages through the Interpretation tab. With this feature activated, each Zoom participant will be able to see and select which language they are most comfortable hearing through the Interpretation tab, which now appears on the bottom menu. Selecting a desired language will prioritize the interpreter's vocal volume over the volume of the other speakers. The interpreter will select which language channel they are speaking to on the bottom of the screen and will switch between channels as the participants speak to one another in their native tongues. Common uses for this feature include court trials, hearings, mediations, group presentations, and training seminars, among others. In this video, I have illustrated how to properly set up and use Zoom's interpretation feature, along with examples of its applicable uses and benefits in real-world situations. I hope that this overview has been insightfully helpful for you and anyone looking for more efficient methods of interpreting in the virtual world. Thank you.